Do not feel lonely, the entire universe is inside you. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere. They're in each other all along. There are 1,000 ways to kneel and kiss the ground. There are 1,000 ways to go home again. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. This place is a dream. Only a sleeper considers it real. Then death comes like dawn, and you wake up laughing at what you thought was your grief. Would you become a pilgrim on the road of love? The first condition is that you make yourself humble as dust and ashes. You are not a drop in the ocean. You are the entire ocean in a drop. If the foot of the trees were not tied to earth, they would be pursuing me. For I have blossomed so much, I am the envy of the gardens. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. Don't be satisfied with stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth. There is a candle in your heart, ready to be kindled. There is a void in your soul, ready to be filled. You feel it, don't you? Goodbyes are only for those who love with their eyes. Because for those who love with heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. Your depression is connected to your insolence and refusal to praise.